pyramids of Egypt, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, stand as one of the most extraordinary wonders of the ancient world. Constructed thousands of years ago during the 4th dynasty of Egypt's Old Kingdom, these monumental structures continue to amaze archaeologists, historians, and tourists alike. The pyramids, designed as grand tombs for pharaohs, hold secrets and mysteries that have puzzled humanity for centuries. One of the greatest mysteries surrounding the pyramids is how they were constructed with such precision. The Great Pyramid, for instance, was built with over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons. Scholars have debated the methods the ancient Egyptians used, with theories ranging from ramps to advanced tools, yet no single explanation fully accounts for the complexity and scale of these structures. The alignment of the Great Pyramid to the cardinal directions with remarkable accuracy also raises questions about the astronomical and mathematical knowledge possessed by the builders. In recent years, advances in technology have uncovered new chambers within the Great Pyramid, using techniques such as muon radiography. These hidden rooms add to the allure of the pyramids and suggest that there may be more to discover within their walls. One of the famous passages, known as the Queen's Chamber, was initially believed to be a burial chamber, but remains empty, sparking debates about its purpose. The discovery of hidden cavities and narrow passageways raises questions about the ancient Egyptians' reasons for designing such intricate structures. Adjacent to the Great Pyramid stands the Great Sphinx, a colossal limestone statue with a lion's body and a human head, believed to represent Pharaoh Khafre. While it is widely accepted that the Sphinx was constructed around the same period as the pyramids, some researchers argue it may be even older, pointing to evidence of water erosion on the statue. The Sphinx adds another layer of mystery, as the true purpose of its construction remains unknown. Some believe it served as a guardian for the pyramid complex, while others propose it held religious or astronomical significance. The pyramids were not merely burial sites, but were also seen as a means to transcend death. Ancient Egyptians believed that the afterlife was a continuation of life on Earth, and the pyramids were designed to guide the pharaohs into eternity. The orientation of the pyramids may also align with the Orion constellation, which some theories suggest symbolized the god Osiris, the deity of the afterlife. This alignment would signify a symbolic journey for the pharaoh's soul to the heavens, a spiritual element that adds depth to the mystery. The survival of the pyramids for thousands of years speaks to the advanced understanding the ancient Egyptians had of engineering and architecture. Unlike other ancient structures that have crumbled, the pyramids have stood the test of time. The materials used, combined with a careful alignment and design, contributed to their endurance. Some believe that otherworldly assistance or lost ancient technology might have played a role, though there is no concrete evidence to support this. The pyramids remain one of humanity's greatest enigmas. Each discovery, from hidden chambers to the intricate designs and alignments, only deepens the mystery, leaving us with more questions about the advanced capabilities of ancient Egyptian civilization. Despite countless studies and modern technology, the pyramids retain their secrets, reminding us of the ingenuity and mystery of ancient cultures. As research continues, humanity hopes to unlock more of these secrets and gain a deeper understanding of one of the world's oldest and most captivating monuments.